welcome back to my channel. So as y'all saw with the title, yes, I will be refreshing my quick weave. I've had it in for about 2 weeks now and it's sticky, so I need to get my leave out together, my curls together, and my extensions together. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. If you're returning, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Hey girl, hey to everyone. I know this intro a little weird. I'm so freaking backwards and discombobulated, but let's get into the tutorial. Also, I want to apologize for the lighting continuously changing throughout the video. I promise y'all I was not near a window or anything. I was just right in front of my ring light. Also, I need some new lighting, so if y'all have any suggestions, please let me know, because I'm trying to up the production quality, so I need whatever y'all got.
Take me over, I know you got the run. Oh, take me under, I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. More than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. If we having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top
Alright, y'all, I finally finished my quick weave refresh. Came out pretty good. Pretty good. I gotta get this hair just to let it stick though. Sorry if y'all hear the fan, it's hot, but I gotta do to get you to stick right there. Gotta loosen up some of the wand curls. Camera's overheating. I will come back when makeup's done. Okay, so yeah, your girl did not make it back to the camera, but here's a little cute video of me in the core, you know, doing my big one. That was the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.